Welcome to Knowledge Bank, your one-stop source for all things finance. Today, we're talking about budgeting apps. Are you wrestling with the task of managing your personal finances? It's like trying to tame a wild beast, isn't it? Well, fear not, because the digital world has some nifty solutions for you. Budgeting apps have become a beacon of light in the dense fog of financial management. Let's delve into a few of these apps to see how they can help manage that beast of personal finance. First up, we have Good Budget. It's an app that takes its inspiration from the classic envelope system of budgeting. With Good Budget, you can allocate your money to different envelopes, or categories, if you will. It allows you to keep track of your expenses and even sync budgets with your spouse or family members. Think of it as a digital way to divide your income into neatly labeled envelopes. Next in line, we have EveryDollar. As the name suggests, this app is all about knowing where every dollar goes. It's designed to help you track expenses, set budgets, and save money. So, if you're looking to gain more control over your spending, EveryDollar could be your new best friend. Then we have PocketGuard. This app aims to give you a comprehensive view of your financial status. It aggregates all your financial information and provides a smart budgeting tool. With PocketGuard, you can know your financial standing at a glance. Moving on, we have YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. This app takes a proactive approach to budgeting. It focuses on giving every dollar a job, helping you get out of debt and save money. If you're looking to adopt a more disciplined approach to budgeting, YNAB is worth a shot. Before we reveal our last app, please like, share, and subscribe to the video. This is free for you, but it motivates us to create more content like this for you. Lastly, we have Simplify by Quicken. It offers an easy-to-use platform for tracking finances and meeting financial goals. If you're looking for simplicity and effectiveness in a single package, Simplify might be the way to go. Each of these apps has its own unique features and strengths. Your choice of budgeting app will depend on your individual financial situation and goals. So why not give one or more of these apps a try? They could help you tame that wild beast of personal finance and bring you closer to your financial goals. Remember, managing your personal finances doesn't have to be a struggle. With the right tools, it can be as easy as a walk in the park. So give these budgeting apps a spin and see how they can transform your financial management game. See you next time.